Repeat after me. I am calm.
I am calm.
I am capable.
I am capable.
Not every dashboard light is a personal challenge.
Not every dashboard light is a personal challenge.
Just because my truck can tow it doesn't mean I needed to volunteer.
Just because my truck can tow it doesn't mean I need to volunteer.
I will not describe every new noise as truck stuff.
I will not describe every new noise as, this feels a little personal.
We're all here to heal.
Are we?
Well, we're here for maintenance. Summer is when trucks get volunteered for everything. Helping people move, picking up project supplies, towing something, hauling something, and somehow becoming everyone's favorite contact the moment they need a truck. So today I'm here with Derek to talk about Ram 1500 summer service. The little noises, the temperature changes, steering changes, and shifting changes that are worth paying attention to before summer gets busier.
A Ram 1500 is comfortable, but it still gets used like a truck. Around Reading, Birdsboro, Wyomissing, and Sinking Spring, we see them commuting, hauling, towing, and doing weekend projects. That use adds up, and usually the first signs are small. A noise, a pull, a clunk, a temperature gauge that moves more than normal. Those things don't always mean a major repair, but they are worth checking out. A startup tick is easy to ignore, especially if it fades away in just a few minutes. But a noise that goes away still counts as a noise. On some Ram trucks, exhaust manifold bolt issues are something that we pay attention to here at Myles. It doesn't mean panic, it just means let's find out what's going on. Steering and suspension issues happen slowly. The truck may wander a little, feel less planted over bumps, need more steering correction, or clunk over rough roads. That can point to shocks, struts, control arms, tie rods, or sometimes ball joints. Those parts deal with a lot, especially with potholes, hauling, and everyday Berks County driving.
I volunteered the truck.
For what?
Helping my friend move.
Okay.
And my cousin.
Okay.
And my neighbor.
You volunteered this truck for 3 moves?
4. I forgot about the shed.
Has this truck had a weekend off?
Not since 2019.
Summer puts more demand on the cooling system. Heat, traffic, hills, and towing extra weight. If your Ram is running warmer than usual, losing coolant, or the temperature gauge is moving more than normal, it's definitely worth checking. Cooling problems don't usually fix themselves. And July is not the month to test that theory. And yes, we are going to mention the transmission lightly, because we're Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. If your Ram hesitates, shifts harder than usual, slips, or makes you pause mid-drive, pay attention. It doesn't automatically mean a major transmission repair, but shifting changes are information for us, and information helps you stop guessing. The goal is simple. Keep your Ram feeling like the truck you bought it to be. Smooth, capable, and comfortable. Ready for work during the week and whatever pops up on the weekend. Most of this starts small, and small is a better time to get answers.
If your Ram has been ticking, clunking, pulling, running warmer than usual, or shifting differently, you don't have to immediately assume the worst. But you also don't have to keep saying, it's a truck. If you're in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Wyomissing, or surrounding areas, our team at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions can help you figure out what's going on before summer gets even busier. Next week, we're continuing stars, stripes, and tailpipes with truck maintenance. The services that are easy to put off, but help make summer driving feel smoother, safer, and more predictable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.